We often hear about the artificial intelligence revolution that's set to automate all our jobs. But what's the real story? Are robots really coming to snatch our careers?
Will be jobless. In the year 2030, scientists predicted that AI will replace around 3 million jobs. And that's not even the worst part yet. It will also replace millions of other roles. But the good part is that it will probably replace jobs that humans already don't like working.
Or is there more to it? We're here to unravel the truth. AI is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's very much a part of our everyday reality. From automated fruit sorting to architects relying on AI for design, the lines between humans and machines are blurring. But don't be swayed by the fear-mongering headlines. AI isn't here to replace us entirely. Instead, it's a catalyst for change, reshaping job roles and creating new opportunities. We'll explore the jobs that AI can't touch, the challenges it poses, and the critical importance of upskilling in this AI-driven world. So, join us on this enlightening journey through the realms of AI and its profound influence on the job industry. Buckle up, it's going to be an eye-opening ride. The current landscape. So, what's happening in the job market right now? Well, we're already seeing some changes due to AI. AI is making its mark and it's making it big. Think about those jobs that used to require a good old-fashioned human touch, like sorting fruits and vegetables.
Some forms of manual labor have been automated, like sorting fruits and vegetables to determine whether they are ripe enough to be sold. Many jobs that did not involve AI technology just a few years ago now do. Consider an architect. We picture them poring over paper blueprints, but today their work often requires computer modeling, which increasingly relies on AI. So yes, these technological changes are impacting our jobs. And yes, artificial intelligence will transform the job market, but not in the ways you might think.
Some of those tasks are now being handled by machines, and it doesn't stop there. Jobs that didn't even have a clue about AI just a few years back, well, they're cozying up to it like an old friend. For instance, architects now rely heavily on AI-powered computer modeling. But wait, before you start worrying about robots taking over the world, here's the scoop. It's not all doom and gloom. AI is set to shake things up, all right, but it's also opening doors to new opportunities. Jobs transformations. So, how will AI transform jobs? Let's roll up our sleeves and talk about the transformation AI is stirring up in the job sector. It's not just about automation, it's about a complete makeover. Here's the deal. Some jobs may vanish into thin air, replaced by computer programs. But here's the twist. New gigs are popping up.
Computational intelligence and machine learning. There will also be a growing demand for experts in robotic engineering, mathematics, psychology, linguistics, and neuroscience. And of course, programming will remain a useful skill, especially in Python, the programming language that is key for AI development.
And they're not just about designing and supervising these programs. No, they're reshaping the very nature of the services companies provide. Take data scientists and information system security managers, for instance. They're in high demand because of AI. The bottom line, AI isn't here to systematically swipe jobs off the table. It's here to automate the repetitive stuff, giving us more time to focus on the good stuff. Jobs that AI won't take over. All right, let's talk about the jobs that AI won't be snatching away anytime soon.
7 jobs that robots won't take over anytime soon. Number 7 is dentists. Imagine a robot glitch in the middle of a dental procedure. That would be a nightmare. Number 6, software developers. We'll always need people who can create tools that replace us. Number 5, politicians. They won't be replaced by robots because robots aren't skilled at lying. Number 4, lawyers. ChatGPT already passed the law school exam, but it's nowhere to be a full certified lawyer. Number 3, pilots. If self-driving cars are still having accidents on the ground, I don't see us trusting self-flying planes anytime soon. Number 2, chefs. Being a chef is an art, and it requires a sense of taste and smell, which robots won't have anytime soon. And number 1, scientists. Especially those who are skilled at doing multi-step experiments. And one bonus job that won't be taken over by robots anytime soon is barbers and hairstylists. Just ask yourself, would you put your head under scissors and blades controlled by a robot? Not me.
These are the jobs where human skills reign supreme and robots are left in the dust. First up, dentists. Imagine a robot glitch during a dental procedure. Yikes, that's a nightmare waiting to happen. Next in the lineup, are software developers. We'll always rely on the ingenious minds behind the tools that AI can't replicate. Politicians? Well, robots can't lie like a pro, so they're safe for now. Lawyers? Sure, ChatGPT passed the law school exam, but it's not becoming a fully certified lawyer anytime soon. Pilots? We're still a bit iffy about self-flying planes, especially when self-driving cars are having their hiccups. And how about chefs? Being a chef is an art that involves taste and smell, things robots can't master anytime soon. Scientists, especially those who do complex multi-step experiments, are in the clear. And one more for the road, barbers and hair stylists.
Boom.
For years, there have been predictions, even prophecies, that artificial intelligence, or AI, will take away many professions from people. It is possible to say that this situation, which causes a future that is expected with fear by most of those who do this.
Seriously, would you trust a robot with sharp objects near your head? Exactly. AI and decision-making. Let's now journey into the captivating world of AI and its role in decision-making.
I personally think AI can't be a manager of a company. It can't manage a company. It can do everything else, but nobody would put it in a manager position for one specific reason, not because it can't do it, but because AI can't take accountability. I'll give you an example, okay? Suppose I have an employee and I give the employee some task. Let's say he's a leader in my company and he does the task badly. There is always a risk in his head that he might get fired from the company. There's always a risk in his head that, oh, if I steal funds from the company, I might go to jail. He's calculating risk in his head, right? And there is a real repercussion to his life. He imagines himself behind bars, or he imagines himself jobless, or all the reputation of what he's doing completely gone. And AI doesn't care. AI can be replicated across multiple computers, right? So it does not feel the repercussions of these problems, which is why it cannot be expected to make decisions that affect the lives of other human beings.
It's a game changer, no doubt. AI possesses the remarkable ability to process colossal datasets in the blink of an eye, unveiling insights that might elude human scrutiny. But here's the intriguing part. The ultimate decision often remains in our human hands. Why, you ask? Well, here's the twist. AI lacks a crucial element: accountability. Consider this scenario. You assign a task to an employee and they fumble it. There are real consequences, like losing their job or facing legal trouble. That risk factor is constantly on their minds. But AI, it doesn't care. AI can be duplicated across countless computers, so it doesn't bear the brunt of these issues, which is why we can't entirely entrust it with decision-making. It's an invaluable assistant, but it's not the boss. Emerging AI-driven roles. Now, let's dive into the captivating realm of emerging AI-driven roles. It's not just about job displacement. AI is also creating fresh opportunities. Meet the pioneers of this AI revolution: data scientists, machine learning engineers.
Money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble, you know.
AI research scientists, AI architects, and big data engineer architects. These roles are the avant-garde of AI's transformative power. And guess what? They didn't even exist on the job radar just a few years back. Yet now, they're in high demand. This isn't a passing trend. It's an ever-evolving landscape where AI continues to sculpt new opportunities. As AI technology advances, we can expect a steady stream of fresh, unique roles to emerge, offering exciting career pathways in this dynamic field. Reskill and upskill to survive. Time to step up our game and address a critical aspect of thriving in this AI era: staying relevant. It's all about leveling up your skill set.
Stop loving your employer. Love the job instead. Keep getting better in your job every day. It's crucial to diversify your skills and learn new technologies, including AI, machine learning, data analysis, and programming.
Think of it as expanding your toolbox. Don't settle for the status quo in your profession. Diversify your skill set, broaden your horizons, and warmly embrace new technologies like AI, machine learning, data analysis, and programming. Think of it as your brain's personal trainer, sculpting your abilities and readying you for the ever-evolving job landscape. Keep in mind that it's not just about adoring your job, it's about cherishing the ongoing enhancement of your skills. In a world where change reigns supreme, adaptability and upskilling are your golden tickets to maintaining your relevance and flourishing. The future of work. Now envision the exciting landscape of the future of work.
So
Several companies have already embraced forms of AI as a way forward in a competitive marketplace, while others are taking a wait-and-see approach over concerns about copyright and potential problems with some AI systems. Educators remain concerned about students using AI to complete assignments. But it's possible learning how to use these tools could set some up for careers as so-called prompt engineers who understand how to get the most out of these AI systems. Putting in prompts helps guide the AI towards the final output.
The interaction between humans and AI will become more and more prevalent as we move forward. Then we will see that they can be really good because they can increase our productivity, our efficiency.
Problems like incorrect or entirely made-up citations, so-called hallucinations by AI, and other problems could put businesses that deploy this new tech in potential hot water, negating the advantage they hope to enjoy. Some of the most at-risk jobs, according to a report by Goldman Sachs, are office administration, legal and business and financial operations.
It's not some dystopian AI takeover, but rather an evolution. Some companies are already embracing AI, while others adopt a wait-and-see approach, wary of potential copyright issues and AI system glitches. The key is to embrace AI as a tool, a collaborator, and a catalyst for growth. It's about humans and machines becoming partners, not adversaries, to create a brighter, more innovative world. Educators are still concerned about students relying too heavily on AI tools for assignments, but there's a silver lining. It's creating roles like prompt engineers who maximize AI's potential. So, as we hurtle into this AI-driven future, remember, it's not a takeover, it's a transformation. And together, we're sculpting a tomorrow where humans and machines are collaborators, not competitors. Concerns and challenges. But it's not all smooth sailing. We must acknowledge some valid concerns that have cropped up. For instance, we've seen students leaning heavily on AI tools to complete assignments, which, while convenient, can raise questions about the authenticity of their work. And then there's the potential minefield of AI-generated content.
Generative AI has revolutionized the tech world, but several issues pose a hindrance to its spread. As this AI relies on processor-intensive language models, data centers can't handle the sudden influx and hybrid solutions are needed. Security and trust are also issues. Ownership of data, mined information, and identity accuracy. These problems must be addressed to maintain satisfaction, reliability, and trust in the technology before further damage is incurred.
While AI has the power to enhance productivity and efficiency, it also comes with its own set of challenges. Incorrect information generated by AI and potential legal issues for businesses using AI to create content are just a couple of examples. So, as we navigate this brave new world of AI, it's essential to remain vigilant and address these concerns. With a watchful eye and a commitment to ethical AI use, we can harness its power while mitigating its risks. So, wrapping things up, we've taken a deep dive into AI's impact on the job market. The impact of AI on the job industry is profound, but it's not the end of the world. It's a dynamic shift, not a job apocalypse. But yes, we've got our fair share of challenges, from job concerns to AI biases. The key is staying adaptable and continuously honing our skills. As we move forward, remember, it's not humans versus machines, it's a tag team effort. Together, we're crafting a future bursting with innovation and potential. So, keep learning, stay adaptable, and be the author of your own success story in this evolving narrative. If you liked this video and want more updates on how technology is changing our lives, don't forget to hit the bell icon and like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.